Hi, my name is Elon Alonso and I am the founder of Sunbeam Career Development. Today we are in the market for an angel investor to provide seed funding of 500,000 at 5% equity. Sunbeam is managed by us, a program manager and a software administrator to provide a platform for learning and development for youth as they navigate their move from education to employment. Sunbeam actually began with a challenge that I faced in transitioning at the end of my education. I found that there was a gap between the skills that I have received and the expectations that the job market had. I felt like I was not ready. I felt like I was not confident. I decided to make this a study, and lo and behold, I was not the only person with this feeling. This feeling has challenged many decisions for youth, and the lack of skills has also made a great impact on the decisions that they make. Do you know that 35.6% of youth are not in education, training, or employment? Added to their lack of confidence, there is the existence of a general disparity of skills development for them. They lack the access for these skill development. Many times, because of the geographical and socioeconomic conditions, youth aren't able to access these skills development opportunities. Moreover, it is quite limited in this country. The offerings have not been fully aligned with youth in terms of catering specifically to their needs. What we have is a formal kind of face-to-face and chalk and talk educational system with little supplementary and add-on courses and skills development necessary for today's job market and in alignment with the specific needs of youth. Let's take point that 26% of the total population in Guyana are youth. They are the productive age and ought to be the movers and shakers. They need to be the most skilled and prepared for their futures. What Sunbeam provides is a remote learning opportunity for youth to have a personalized approach to their skills development. This means that we're able to reach and access them at anywhere and at any time and to specifically cater for the situations that they have. We are the supplement to education. We are the bridge to the gap. We began through research. Like I said, this started when I was a university student, but when I finished, to fill the gap, I decided to utilize my time and resources to create programs. We did Sunbeam Jumpstart as well as we did Spark. These programs demonstrated the need for a cemented platform and program for youth. We had over 100 persons oriented in our programs, but at the end of this, where will they go? Sunbeam had to be started to create a sustainable platform to meeting the needs of young people. In that way, we created the Sunbeam Jumpstart package. It is a suite of 7 courses that particularly caters to needs for goal setting, scenario planning, career and job preparation, among other things, that help youth over the course of 6 weeks, having a mixed learning method that helps them to have the face-to-face and also the remote need of learning. We create self-managers. At the end of this, we want to do more. We want to impact more Gen Zs, and we hope so to do with 300 persons. We have to market Sunbeam, develop 2 additional courses, and we want to increase our access and our accessibility through the promotion of an app. We will seek partnerships. Our business model is an online platform that inducts members and provides a paid criteria for them to access our courses. What we do is that we leverage opportunities with content creators to create our courses, and they are paid a percentage of the sales that we make. We employ mixed learning, which involves using of the platform as well as face-to-face coaching to specifically cater to their needs. We are run by the motto of self-service and convenience with our online platform. Our positioning is that we will be the Gen Z solution, providing affordability, accessibility, and youth centrism. And we will develop our product and our brand in the market through beta testing and mixed methods, primarily social media, to cater specifically to our Gen Zs who love connectivity and building community. We will specifically target the 15 to 25-year-old because they are at the cusp of development and we find that there is need for additional resources catered to them. Our entry in the market has placed us in the middle where our price points are lower are affordable and at the same time providing high service of alignment and access. What we do uniquely in this market is that we provide a no cap on services. We provide mixed methods of learning and also we provide the personal element of coaching. Not only will you get the general training, but you are able to get personalized service. The other competitors in the market do not provide this. They do not provide access and alignment, and that is where we fill the gap. Our company so far has had a strong unit economic profitability per customer of 6.9%. It is our expectation that as we scale our platform and app, our overheads are already minimal and will increase the profitability. We hope to start with your help to impact 300 clients and to grow every year by 10%. We already have management systems in place for website invoicing and expense tracking. All we need is your support as our seed funder and investor. Today is the day to begin with the end in mind. Let's create a future of development for Guyana. Let's be the answer to the career development needs of youth. Come on board with Sunbeam Career Development and let's begin with the end in mind. Let's be a strong, profitable, and impactful organization in Guyana. Thank you.